Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome once again to the channel. This is Sunset John GH. We thank you for always watching our videos. Please comment, like, and share our videos all the time so that others too will be able to watch it. Today we are coming to you from the Independence Square of Ghana. Today history unfolds as we are going to witness the inauguration of the President-elect of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama. This is a re-election, so it's going to be history in the making. This moment marks the culmination of a democratic journey, reflecting the will and the resilience of the Ghanaian people. The grounds is being prepared for this beautiful occasion, adorned with colors of celebration and echoing with the hope of a brighter future. This re-election stands as a testament to the president's vision and the trust reposed in him to lead our great nation once again. As the sun rises on this day of promise, let us embrace a renewed commitment to progress, harmony, and the collective dreams of every Ghanaian citizen. From the majestic area view of these vibrant grounds to the hearts of millions watching across the world, this is Ghana, united in celebration and purpose. Please don't forget to like our videos and comment. Here is to future led by strength, vision, and enduring power of democracy. As we saw above these breathtaking grounds, we can see a tapestry of culture, history, and hope. The Independence Square, an iconic symbol of Ghana's sovereignty, is alive with color and energy, a fitting venue for today's monumental occasion. Flags waving proudly in the breeze. Every detail reflects the pride and the unity of the Ghanaian people. This site is not just a venue, it's a place where history is made, where the past meets the present to shape our future. Today, we celebrate the inauguration of the President of Ghana, reaffirming the nation's commitment to democracy and progress. This re-election represents a renewed mandate to continue a journey of development and prosperity, guided by leadership, vision, and the collective strength of our people. Let this day and this area view serve as a reminder of what we can achieve when we come together in unity and purpose. Ghana, the black star of Africa, shines brighter than ever.